Is your Samsung original or fake? Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to check whether your Samsung device is original or fake. So let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your mobile. Scroll down and find the About Phone option, then tap on it. Here, you'll see your SIM information along with the IMEI numbers. Tap and hold on any IMEI number to copy it. Once you have copied the IMEI number, go back and open your Chrome browser. Now, search for Samsung Register Device and open the official page. Next, tap on the Sign in to Start Registration button to register your device. Now, sign in using your Galaxy device or your account ID. Here, I'll tap on the Galaxy device option. So go ahead and tap on the OK button. After that, accept all the service terms and conditions, then tap on the Agree button. Now, tap on the Start Registration button. Scroll down and select your phone device option. Here, paste the IMEI number that you copied earlier, and then tap on the Register button. Finally, if you see that your product is already registered, that's a sign that your device is original. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.